Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romy, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Something's happened to my hair. Today we are going to do a recreate. Is it a recreate? It's not a recreate. It is, what was it? What was it called? What was it called? Not recreate. Oh my god, what are the words? When somebody follows somebody else's tutorial. Okay, well anyway, what I wanted to do was I wanted to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, because I don't think I get enough out of that palette. I don't get enough out of any of my palettes really, because I have so many. Not as many as a lot of people, but I've got so many, too many for myself. And what I did is I went onto Pinterest and typed in Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, one of the step-by-steps. What about that one? Because I do, why is it gone so dark? I do love a look that you can create with just one palette. So all we have is, who is this from? Ashley Howe on Instagram. One of my favourite looks that I've created this year. So that's at Ashley Howe, H-A-W makeup. I've just clicked on it to follow her on Instagram, and it says the link you followed may have been broken. Let me try again. Or the page may have been removed. Oh, now I'm intrigued. So basically, oh, what a ball ache, honestly. So basically what she's done is put A, B, C, D and E, and it tells you what you're doing with which stage, and it should look like that. I need to have a look and see if this person's actually on Instagram anymore. Yes, she is. And she does looks with, oh, I'm gonna follow her. She does various looks with different palettes and lists which shades and that she used, which is genius. Love that. Oh, and there's the one. So this one was added on the 1st of November. So that's the one. So that's Ashley Howe makeup on Instagram. I will link that below for you. As far as I can see, it just says A, B, C, D and E. So the first shade we're going to go in with is this one, which is Soda Pop. So that's A, so that looks like it's going on the lid and blending slightly. B is the one next to it, which is Central Park, and that's being used in the crease and blending upwards. The next one, it looks like she's put a base down to cut the crease, which I don't have that, but I might have something similar. So if you can see there, she's put like a base down. It's probably like the P. Louise base or something like that. So then, why am I going through it now? Let's just start, shall we? See my little candle burning there? Oh, it is not autumn without a candle burning. That is a Yankee candle. That is the raspberry sorbet. I've just gone through, or raspberry sundae, sorry. I've just gone through one of those. So that is my second one that I've lit. Okay, so I've, for that cut crease area, I have got the Morphe cream eyeshadow in blue, which is that, which I reckon will do pretty well. Oh, it looks like it's dried out a little bit. I'm thinking that she's obviously put down a darker base. Do I put down a darker base? Yes, let me go and get one of those as well. Okay, so I just grabbed a black gel eye pencil, which I shall use for the base for that first colour. Okay, so let's zoom you in. So I am just going to do this eye. You will see both my eyes, but I'm just going to do this eye. So the first colour that she puts is to go in with is a Soda Pop, and that is on the lid. So what I'm going to do is get my black gel eye crayon, just messily all over that lid like that, and then I'm just going to grab a pencil brush and just smudge that. Yell at me if you can't see what I'm doing. So once that is all over, we are going to go in with our first colour, which was Soda Pop. Just stained from the other day. Okay, so going in with Soda Pop with a big blending brush and just patting that all over the lid on top of that gel eyeliner. Okay, oops, bit messy there. And then the next colour we're going to go in with is that Central Park, and by the looks of it, that is just going in the crease and blending that. So I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, dip into that Central Park, go on top. Just going to grab a clean brush and just blend that edging a little bit. So then, by the looks of it, we're going to go in with that cream. We are cutting the crease from the front, but not quite. So here, I'd say from here to about here. Yeah, just going to get a little lip brush, swirl that around in there. Definitely dried up. Come on, you can do it. So you find some of these Morphe, I had the gel eyeliner and that dried up as quick as anything. Right, so we're cutting it from here. That is definitely not as glamorous as what it looks like in the picture. Okay, I think that's about as good as that is going to get. To be honest, that is quite dried up. I'll have to pop some stuff in that and see if I can revive it. Okay, so the next colour that go in with is C, which is this one, which is Pool Party, and that is packing all over that. Just going to redefine. I've come up too high, haven't I? Then by the looks of it, we go in with D, which is Jada. That goes on the bottom lash line. Oh damn it, I didn't put any primer on underneath. Then E is Beam. I'll do some on the brow bone. Can you focus? Focus! Hello. Right, on the brow bone and in the corner. It says mascara, lashes, and she's obviously got some eyeliner on. Right, so let's tight line. Let me finesse, pat over that. I'm actually going to go and take off this bottom, put a primer on, and then put that blue on. I'm just going to take a teeny tiny bit of concealer, just blend that underneath, right, and then go in with that Jada colour over the top. That's better. Just drag that a little bit too far down though. Clean that up in a second, making sure it's nice and dark around that, near that lash line. A bit blended together. Just going to go and put some mascara and lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I popped on a pair of lashes. These are the Unicorn lashes in Majestic AF. I did do my eyebrows slightly, kind of, just very quickly. So let's get a closer look, shall we? So this is the finished eye look. What do you think? Do you think I did well or not? I love these colours. I will definitely be doing these little challengey things again. Obviously, doing a look like this, it gives you the opportunity to use the palettes that you have Obviously you don't have to use the Jaclyn Hill palette, you could use colours of a similar shade. I'm sure you have got those, but it just helps if you do have certain palettes that you're not getting enough use out of, or you'd like to use them in a different way. Then we all get stuck in our little ruts of the same look every day, our day-to-day look. So it's a good way of trying some of those other colours that you might not have dipped into yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do have any other looks that you would like me to recreate or follow like this that you would like me to do, then leave your suggestions down below in the comment box, and I will see you all next time. Bye.